Have you ever stopped to think about the seeds you're eating? Sure, they're tiny, but could they actually be the secret to unlocking better health or a hidden danger in your diet? That's the question we're tackling today. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of seeds. From chia seeds to pumpkin seeds, these little powerhouses are often celebrated as superfoods, but here's the twist. Not all seeds are good for you. In fact, some can be toxic or harmful if you're not careful. So, here's the challenge. Do you know which seeds you should be eating every day and which ones to avoid like the plague? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the answers. Let's kick things off with the heroes of today's story, the seeds that are actually good for you. These little guys might look unassuming, but they're some of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. First up, chia seeds. You've probably seen these in trendy Instagram breakfasts, those perfectly layered chia puddings with fresh fruit on top. But these seeds aren't just pretty, they're a nutritional jackpot. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, reducing inflammation, and keeping your heart healthy. Plus, they're a fiber superstar. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds give you nearly 10 grams of fiber. That's almost half of what you need in a day. They're also great for hydration because they absorb water, turning into a gel-like consistency that keeps you feeling full for hours. Pro tip: mix them into your oatmeal, smoothies, or even bake them into muffins for an easy nutrient boost. Next, let's talk about flax seeds. These are the OG superfood seeds, long before chia took over the spotlight. What makes flax seeds special? They're one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. This makes them an amazing addition to a heart-healthy diet. They're also packed with lignans, plant compounds that have antioxidant properties and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. But here's the deal. Flax seeds are most effective when they're ground. Whole flax seeds often pass through your system undigested, so if you want to reap the benefits, grind them up and sprinkle them on everything: salads, yogurt, even your morning cereal. Now let's move to pumpkin seeds, or pepitas. These aren't just the seeds you scoop out of your Halloween pumpkin. They're a magnesium goldmine. Magnesium is one of those minerals that your body relies on for countless processes, from building strong bones to regulating your heartbeat. Unfortunately, most people don't get enough of it, and that's where pumpkin seeds come in. They're also high in zinc, which supports your immune system, and they even contain tryptophan, an amino acid that can help you sleep better. Feeling stressed? Snack on some roasted pumpkin seeds. They're like nature's anti-anxiety medicine. Finally, let's give a shout out to sunflower seeds. These are often overlooked, but they're an amazing source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. Sunflower seeds are also loaded with selenium, a mineral that fights inflammation and supports thyroid health. Whether you eat them raw, roasted, or as sunflower seed butter, they're a versatile, nutrient-packed addition to your diet. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Alright, now let's switch gears and talk about the seeds you should not be eating, or at least be cautious about. Because while some seeds are a health win, others can actually harm you. First on the no-go list, apple seeds. I know it sounds weird, right? Who actually eats apple seeds? But sometimes they sneak into your blender when you're making a smoothie, or you accidentally bite into one. The problem is that apple seeds contain a compound called amygdalin, which your body can convert into cyanide. Yes, cyanide, as in poison. Now, don't panic if you've swallowed a couple by mistake. You'd have to chew and eat a lot of them for it to be dangerous, but it's still something to be mindful of. Then there are the pits from fruits like cherries, peaches, and apricots. These are even more dangerous than apple seeds because they contain higher concentrations of amygdalin. If you swallow one whole, it's not usually an issue because your body can't break it down. But if you crush or chew these pits, they can release cyanide into your system. There have even been cases of cyanide poisoning from people consuming too many crushed fruit pits. The takeaway? Don't mess around with these. Next up, we have castor beans. These are technically seeds, and they're no joke. Castor beans contain ricin, one of the most toxic substances known to humans. Even a tiny amount can be deadly. Thankfully, castor oil, the kind used in medicine or cosmetics, is processed to remove the ricin, so it's safe to use. But the raw beans? Stay far, far away. Finally, let's talk about hemp seeds. Now, hemp seeds are actually very nutritious. They're rich in protein, omega-3s, and other healthy fats, and they're generally safe for most people. But here's the thing. They can sometimes cause issues for people with allergies, and in some regions, there might still be legal restrictions around hemp products because of their association with cannabis. If you're trying them for the first time, start small and make sure they're a good fit for your body, and always double-check local laws. So, what's the big takeaway here? Seeds are some of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat, but they're not all created equal. Chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds? Absolute superstars. These are the seeds you should incorporate into your diet to boost your heart health, improve digestion, and even support better sleep. But on the flip side, there are seeds you should avoid, or at least treat with caution. Apple seeds, fruit pits, castor beans, and even hemp seeds in certain situations can pose risks to your health. Here's what I want you to do. Get intentional about your seeds. Start adding the good ones to your meals, whether it's blending them into smoothies, sprinkling them on salads, or snacking on them straight. But also, know what to avoid, so you can stay safe and healthy. Alright, that's a wrap on today's video. If you learned something new, smash that like button and share this video with a friend who needs to know about the hidden dangers and benefits of seeds. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future health tips and deep dives. Finally, let's hear from you. What's your favorite way to eat seeds? Whether it's a crunchy snack, a tasty topping, or a creative recipe, drop your ideas in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with and share inspiration with our community. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and stay healthy. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.